Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update your iPhone or Mac and sign into iCloud so data syncs. Once done, enable Apple Intelligence and give permissions for microphone, Siri, and contacts so responses can use local context. Next, link Chatgpt by logging in or entering an API key within the Apple Intelligence plugin area. This lets the assistant call Chatgpt for advanced replies. Make sure you note any API rate limits and review privacy toggles so your data flow is intentional and secure. You now dive into configuration. Open Apple Intelligence settings and pick integrations, then add Chatgpt as a connected service. Once added, choose the model and tune defaults like response length, tone, and whether local files or messages are used for context. Adjust transcription and privacy toggles to control what local data Chatgpt can access. After setting preferences, run a concise test prompt to confirm behavior and latency. If responses feel off, tweak model parameters and context permissions to refine output quality. Finish by automating calls. Build shortcuts or workflows that trigger Chatgpt through Siri, widgets, or keyboard shortcuts so tasks are one command away. Once automated, monitor usage and costs, adjust API limits or model choices, and backup prompts you rely on. If something breaks, first check network connectivity and then re-authenticate the Chatgpt connection. Often a token refresh resolves issues. If problems persist, reset the integration and reapply permissions. This clears stale settings and restores expected behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.